Hi everyone, I'll show you how to do hard reset and soft reset on your Galaxy Samsung A10 as you can see right here. So you'll need to scroll down, go to settings, and then you'll need to swipe down to general management right here. And once you're here, click reset and then do factory data reset. And then once you're ready, click soft reset. It's gonna reset everything to factory settings. And then if you want to do hard reset, you'll need to power device off completely. Turn it off. Okay, once it's off, you'll need to hold volume up and then power button. So hold volume up first and then power button. And then keep holding until it's gonna get you to recovery mode. Okay, here it is. Now you can scroll down using volume keys to wipe data and factory reset here, and then use power to click yes. And then once you're ready to do it, say yes. Thanks for watching you, and then if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye. It's all about phones.